my husband doesn't think we can afford to renovate this property. And he's not wrong, but here's where I'm going to prove him right. Well, right, and then we'll also figure out how to pay for it. I have decided that I'm going to use the power of the people and the internet and also YouTube ads in order to renovate from this crazy situation to not this. We're actually going to hopefully renovate more. But here's what we've done so far. We have completely gutted the place, as you could see right there. We have started to work on some exterior things, but we think there may be asbestos. And then also this last stair actually just broke off recently, so we're gonna have to fix that. But inside the home, as you are about to see, we have started to do some very serious structural renovations, which is very exciting. My husband is actually an engineer by trade. We have some very talented friends. I am a designer. If you're new here, my channel, Gardener Grace Florals, is mostly about floral design, but I also love home renovations, fun fact. And we have been able to renovate a couple of properties. And when we worked corporate jobs, we were able to purchase just a few. And then we decided we wanted to stay at home more with our kids. Oh boy, here she is. And so after we bought this property 6 years ago, I became pregnant with our miracle baby. We had also just adopted 2 beautiful daughters. So life has been a little hectic. As you can see here, we've kind of started to try to gut and clear things out. But the reality is it's a big project. And now we both work from home. We have our own jobs. And so there is not nearly as much disposable income for renovation. So what we've done so far, we are going to be planning to use some of the antiques that we've already had in the family, some things that we already have there to obviously continue to like decorate the place. But the reality is we need to finish the structure, and a lot of stuff has just been storing up here and it's been crazy. We were able to finish these floors though, thanks to a great friend, Jesse, who came in, fixed the foundation up. We got the floors all looking nice. And we also have this really cool storage unit, which again has some crazy, lots of taxidermy things and things that came with the house that we've basically just been finding and storing. So power the people, I need your help. If you would like to see us actually renovate this space, then I need to be able to monetize these videos and get YouTube and you to help us out. This is actually absolutely free to you, but if you would like, comment, share this story and this video, I would absolutely love it and it would be super appreciated. So another fun fact, my YouTube channel, though it has nearly 11,000 followers and subscribers, doesn't actually get monetized yet because I grew kind of quickly with a random viral video of like underwater florals, which is great, and I am super thankful for that. And the reality is that's how YouTube works. And so in order to continue to monetize or to start monetizing, I need to get more views on videos. I know that renovation videos are actually really popular, and so this is my way of saying if you would like to see this as a series and you'd like to see more, I would love for you to follow along and like the story and share it and all those fun things. Then what I'm actually going to plan to do is I have a couple bonus videos and some past renovation work we've already started in the place, and I will post those immediately as a sign of good faith that I would love to start doing this as a series as well. I have background in TV work. I promise you the stories will be exhilarating. They'll be fun. You'll see design. You'll see engineering feats. I'm speaking for my husband, but I'm sure you'll see them. And I'm just really excited to show you guys what we're going to do along the way. So thank you for supporting this little renovation of this cool 1920s cabin house. It's going to be fun. It's going to be dirty. It's going to be cool, and would love to have you watch our journey. So thank you so much in advance for your support. We'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys.